When I started in Broward County traffic engineering, we still had electromechanical controllers out there.
You've had to shift working on things that were all electromechanical to now fully electrical and computer-based.
The controllers evolved greatly over the years to web-based interface controllers that we see now. My name is Steve Kulisek, and I'm the Traffic Signal Operations Specialist here at the City of Boca Raton.
Basically, it sounds like everything's connected.
Every device we have is brought back over a communication network, over 70 miles of fiber optics.
And you guys were one of the early adopters of the Applied Information School Zone system. You guys have had some of the most interesting schedules we've ever seen, where you really push the boundaries of our school zone system. And how many school beacons do you guys actually have?
Current to date is 46. The times for releases differ greatly. Early release, different holidays, different schedules. I think we have 56 exceptions to that and over 20 schedules that we have to run to maintain that school zone throughout the year.
Previous to the connected system, you would actually have to manually program all of those exception schedules?
Yeah, there was a time we had to manually program all that. So we were looking for a cellular-based solution, and we had gone with a solution from Nasdaq. It didn't last very long. They had a hack that got into their cellular network, and it was such a hassle that we immediately reached out looking for a newer solution. Reached out to Sheldon. Sheldon came in and did a presentation on the A clocks, and we fell in love with it and deployed it and haven't regretted it ever since. The great thing is, before we'd sometimes have to do twice a year on programming, but now it's like we can publish the clocks and they've been maintenance free for us. So that's something very new to us too. We check it every day. In the morning, we make sure all the clocks have checked in and nothing is offline. We have our occasional power outages, but we can quickly see it on glance. And one of the great things about glance is while we're in kind of crisis mode, cleanup mode, school clocks aren't always the first thought when we're trying to do traffic signal restorations throughout the city. Sheldon is usually on the phone to us before we're even thinking about it. Hey, what can I do? And before we know it, he's helping us create a scenario on glance, publishing it, and manually getting all the time clocks turned off for us. And we're always looking at new technologies. We haven't implemented yet, but the ability to have the travel safety app alert people as they entering a school zone. So that's something we're probably gonna look at going forward.
You also have quite a lot of pedestrian safety devices for crosswalks.
Probably done 20-some different RFBs, improving the crosswalks throughout the city. So it's something we're always looking at, and we take pedestrian and bicycle safety very seriously here in the city. We're always looking for any ways to improve that safety.